Welcome back to my video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Peter from Uganda. I'm from Luganda, Central Uganda, East Africa. But if you are a new person to this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel over there so that we can move on and learn more things about Luganda. So today we're going to look at common questions and reply. Common questions and reply in Luganda. How to greet in a common way, in a simple way. Like, for example, you can say, how are you? How are you? Just say, Oliotia. How are you? Oliotia. Ladies, when there are many, how are you? Still in English, but in Luganda you say, Murimutia. More than one person. You say, Murimutia. One person, Oliotia. How are you? Many person, Murimutia. How are you? The same thing. The reply is, I am fine. I am fine. Ndibulunji. I am fine. Ndibulunji. When there are many, they say, we are fine. We are fine. Tulibulunji. We are fine. Remember, the question is, how are you? For one person, you say, Oliotia. Many person, you say, Murimutia. The reply will be, I am fine when you are fine and you are one. Ndibulunji. I am fine. Ndibulunji. When there are many, we are fine. Tulibulunji. Simple for today. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Keep on subscribing. Tell other people to subscribe to my channel. And we'll be a big number and we'll be a big class so that we can learn together and we enjoy this language. My name is Peter. You can put your question in the comment below. You can reach me on my email at kapgopeterju.com so we can keep on moving. Thanks for watching. Ciao, ciao.